In this video, we'll take a look at the extensibility options for the Teams client app through various points to allow for a broad range of application integration. And that range might be from something as simple as adding a website to a tab within Teams through to building a fully featured, customized application to greatly enhance the Teams experience for your users. Regardless of the degree to which you extend Teams, though, the extension points you choose to work with will depend on exactly what it is you want to extend. But we'll get started with examining some options to enhance communication for your teams, channels, and groups, which typically make up the core of your team's implementation. So, with respect to the teams that you have configured, and in this context, teams refers to the collection of people, not the application itself. And of course, their associated channels and groups. The primary purpose of these components is to facilitate collaboration and communication. So, any app built in this context should focus on enhancing and enabling new collaborative workflows, or maybe creating new ways to interact socially. And at the development level, any app being implemented will have access to the APIs that can allow it to retrieve information about the participants in a conversation or the channels configured for a team and all their associated properties. So then looking at some specific examples, conversational bots are an extension method that can interact with members of a conversation through a chat or perhaps in response to some kind of an event, such as a new channel being added. And all bot conversations would be visible to all members of a channel or group to ensure that everyone is kept up to date. Configurable tabs provide team members with a full screen embedded web experience for any channel or group for which it has been configured. And any kind of relevant content is made available to all members to ensure consistent interactions through the same shared web app. So, again, this extension method facilitates an easy way to distribute content throughout your team, ensuring that all users are able to access it easily and consistently. And lastly, webhooks and connectors provide a mechanism to allow external services to post messages in a Teams conversation, and conversely, for your users to be able to send messages back to that same service. And you aren't limited to just messaging either with webhooks and connectors. Through the implementation of cards and card actions, which we'll discuss in greater detail in an upcoming presentation, you can support triggers and automated processes. And with these, you can create very comprehensive and actionable messages in your application. So, as mentioned, the degree to which you extend the capabilities of Teams is, of course, up to you, but it was designed with extensibility in mind to support many new and varied features to enhance the overall experience for your users.